CJP, welcome to our kitchen. I'm Miss Talya and this is Brooklyn, and we are going to be making for you today mini fruit pizzas that are perfect for springtime and for Earth Day this week. So here are the ingredients that you will need. You will need 1 package of sugar cookie dough. You can either make it yourself or buy it store-bought. I'm not a great baker, I buy it store-bought. You're gonna need a tub of Cool Whip and any combination of fruit that you choose. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to cut your sugar cookie dough into 1/2-inch rounds, and you're going to place them on your cookie sheet. Our oven has already been preheated to 325 degrees. You're going to bake your cookies for about 11 or 12 minutes until they're lightly golden brown around the edges. There we go. And Brooklyn, you can go ahead and put those in the oven. And we have already pre-baked some of our sugar cookies so that we can get right to making our pizza. Here we go, delicious cookies. And we're going to take our Cool Whip. And this is really fun for the kids to do. I would encourage them to do it themselves. And you're going to spread your Cool Whip all over your cookies. That is the sauce of your pizzas. Just like that. And then Brooklyn is going to explore with all of the different fruits, and she's going to decorate her cookie however she chooses. And this is a great way for your kiddos to try a new fruit that they haven't tried before, or just explore with the things that they do love. I love your smiley face. So you see here we have raspberries and blueberries and kiwi. Perfect fruits for springtime. And before Brooklyn can enjoy her pizza, even though she's licking her fingers, we are going to say the blessing over fruit. So together, Baruch Atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam borei peri ha'etz. Thank you, God, for this delicious fruit from the vine. And you can enjoy your cookie. Delicious? Good. So we hope that you guys enjoy making your own fruit pizzas this week. Remember to take pictures of your kiddos cooking and enjoying their treat and send it to Morabecca. And we hope that you have a great week. Bye, CJP.